Good afternoon, friends. Happy Tuesday to all of you. So, friends, there are some big changes that have been made by the Internal Revenue Service. Stimulus relief programs have also been updated with new eligibility requirements in order to receive extra stimulus money. Low-income households are now able to apply for $500 checks. Dear friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video. For all these details, I will also be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. If you would like to enter the giveaways, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on with the keyword, the greater your chance of winning. And friends, the next giveaway is scheduled for tomorrow.
About the benefits of the child tax credit, I completely agree with your comments. It cut childhood poverty dramatically. It enabled families to get a little bit of breathing room and to help their kids afford nutritious food and clothing and back-to-school supplies. And it really played a critical role. I think you know that the president has repeatedly said that he strongly supports extension. We would love to see Congress enact that. It's made a huge difference to inequality. It was a very important initiative. I feel very proud. I appreciate your comments. I feel very proud of the work that Treasury, and particularly the IRS, was able to do to get this money out and to do everything we possibly could to ensure that non-filers, all the many households who weren't required to file tax returns, to make sure that they receive the credit as well. I would love to see, and we've been talking about investments in the IRS. One thing that investments in the IRS would do is make sure the IRS has the modern tools it needs when we have tax credits like that to make sure they go to the families that deserve it, whether they file taxes.
Motorists getting ready for the 4th of July are feeling a little relief as the nation's gas average continues to fall. But the looming hurricane season may cause more pain at the gas pump. GasBuddy reports that the nation's average gas price has declined for the second week in a row. Data from more than 150,000 gas stations shows that the price fell 8.8 cents to $4.88. However, prices remain more than $1 higher than they were at the same time in 2021. AAA reports that Indiana saw one of the largest weekly decreases in gas prices, down 12 cents from week to week. According to AAA, the average gas price as of June 27th in Indianapolis is $5.01 per gallon. In comparison, at this time last year, the average gas price was $3.12. While gas prices may continue to fall, experts warn that any sudden jolts to supply chain could cause a turnaround. Experts provided the example of when the peak of hurricane season arrives, we could see a spike at the fuel pump. The AAA reports a drop in the global price of oil contributed to the decrease in gas prices. Fears of a potential global recession led to less demand for oil. Oil prices dropped from $110 per barrel to around $107 per barrel. While gas prices have dropped in the state of Indiana, motorists are about to see an increase in costs. On Friday, 2 taxes on gasoline will increase. This includes the gasoline use tax and the gasoline excise tax. The taxes will increase from 32 cents to 33 cents due to an annual increase as per Indiana law. Roughly 300,000 Massachusetts residents are about to receive a $500 check in the mail. Governor Charlie Baker's administration said that they have already begun mailing the second, larger round of $500 automatic direct payments to millions of low-income workers. This comes as part of a $4 billion crisis relief bill that was just passed. A spokesperson for the state said that all eligible residents will likely receive their check over the next couple of weeks. This round of checks is based on 2021 tax returns and will only go to eligible individuals who did not receive a check during the first round of payments. The income criteria has also been slightly changed to adjust for this year's increases in the Massachusetts minimum wage and federal poverty level calculations. So in other words, the income limit is $38,640 for individual filers. Now the IRS has just shared some important news. More tax forms can now be amended electronically. In addition, taxpayers also can amend returns electronically if there is a change to their filing status or to add a dependent who was previously claimed on another return. In a statement, IRS Commissioner Chuck Redding called the new initiative an important milestone. He added, "This new feature will further help people needing to make corrections. It will also assist the IRS with its inventory work on the current backlog of amended returns." This is another tool we're using to help get us back on track. So during the crisis that shut down the agency's office operations, the Internal Revenue Service still managed to deliver millions of stimulus payments in 3 rounds and then reconcile those payments during 2 tax seasons. The tax agency also created a system to send advanced child tax credit payments to families who were in need. Yet the strain of these new tasks has highlighted the agency's deficiencies in customer service, which predates the crisis. In the 2021 filing season, the IRS received 167 million calls, many related to its backlog in processing returns. But the agency only answered 9% of people looking for assistance. During the 2022 tax filing season, the IRS received about 73 million telephone calls from taxpayers seeking help or guidance. And only 10% of those calls reached an IRS employee. So the IRS received fewer calls, yet the level of service was still subpar. Friends, the keyword for this video is Holland. If you would like to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos, and then comment below this keyword, which is Holland, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And friends, do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Well, my beautiful and fantastic friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so much for joining me here and watching these videos. I greatly appreciate all of you. The winner of yesterday's Walmart gift card giveaway is Connie Myers. Congratulations, my friend. Please check your notifications page and send me an email. Or you can also send me a message on my Facebook page to claim your gift card. Thank you so much, dear friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Tuesday.